DJ Novo.
Hey, it's the king representing once more, you understand? When people see me on Bankhead, man, the folks start pointing and screaming and waving and yelling and I'm talking about, man, hey look, man, you know what I'm saying? I don't want to roll over no toes in my roads, you dig what I'm saying? Y'all just back up, let a pimp pass through, you dig?
Beamer bitches double off and riding every time I see you. Shout it where you headed tonight. Hey, where you headed, shout it. 7 out of rated chicks with asses like Serena, man. Shout it, live a hell of a life. But you just tell me, shout it. Hey, man, shout it, live a hell of a life. This how I live, real talk, true story. I'm trying to tell you, shout it. This how I live, real talk, true story. You know, shout it going extra hard when they release his passport. Why I need a credit card? What you think this cash for? Hit the dealership and give him every dime he asked for, just so I can see 260 on the dashboard. If shine against the law, somebody better get the task force for me. Hoes, let me fuck them till they ask for it. Pimpin' 101, just come and see me take a crash course. Wanna count my money, go to college, need a math course. On a mad dash for 100 milli running, breakneck speed till I see a Billy coming. I'm filthy, rich and hungry, feel the crumbling in my stomach. Still stunting off the chain, chasing the end for some money. Put a couple pair of queens like I'm playing gin rummy. No cards, just frauds when a nigga dick hard. Flooded offshore Audemars, looking like a car star. Put it in a wristwatch, ballin' like a big shot. Beamer bitches double off and riding every time I see you. Shout it where you headed tonight. Hey, where you headed, shout it. 7 out of rated chicks with asses like Serena, man. Shout it, live a hell of a life. But you just tell me, shout it. This how I live, real talk, true story. I'm trying to tell you, shout it. This how I live, real talk, true story. Swag on fully, no semi, hold himmy, bank rolls, no tennis, drop rolls, no himmy. Street cred, no blemish, credit card, no limit. You want Bankhead, a spot, a drop head, I'm in it. Bending, a couple corners, hopping on 20 with 3 or 4 women, giving love like tennis. On my boxes with her chin is, giving me the business while I'm riding through the city. Gag, swallow, no spitting, living life like I just got out of prison Wednesday night. If your chick is in my sight, then that chick is getting right. Hey, I know niggas now with bitches think I'm hitting it and they right. They keep my name up out they mouth and my name business. They aight, hey aight. If you hear me say aight, okay aight, cause you know I got them goons with me and I pay aight. Hey, they would like to see me broke up at the prison, see me go, but instead they see me ballin', stuntin' everywhere we go. Go. Beamer bitches double off and riding every time I see you. Shout it where you headed tonight. Hey, where you headed, shout it. 7 out of rated chicks with asses like Serena, man. Shout it, live a hell of a life. But you just tell me, shout it. Hey, man, shout it, live a hell of a life. This how I live, real talk, true story. I'm trying to tell you, shout it. This how I live, real talk, true story. Money won't fall, pockets so swole. Rubber band keep popping on my head. Tell it, hold on. Shout it, live a hell of a life. This how I live, real talk, true story. Brand new car for my brand new chicks. 100 bands right quick to see you, man. I ain't telling no lie. I'm trying to tell you, shout out. This how I live, real talk, true story. Beamer bitches double off and riding every time I see you. Shout it where you headed tonight. Hey, where you headed, shout it. 7 out of rated chicks with asses like Serena, man. Shout it, live a hell of a life. But you just tell me, shout out. Hey, man, shout it, live a hell of a life. This how I live, real talk, true story. I'm trying to tell you, shout out. This how I live, real talk, true story.
I have no choice but to win, cause I absolutely can't lose, no way. 200% I am on my job. Getting money, ain't nothing left that I can say. Get on your job with me, get on your job with me. Ready for tomorrow, it ain't too late. Cause when the people come looking for that money, tell me, man, what you gon' say?
Give it to me. Give it to me. Just give it to me.
toe Adidas, all black Lamborghini, sexy thing riding with me, grand wishes like a genie. Ain't no problem getting money, certified 8-digit street. When it come to getting paper better, started at poverty, now they call us the pinnacle. Talking Bugatti, I blow it all on the vehicle. Millions in real estate, all the work I administrate when I smoke in the whip. Pillar top just to ventilate, ain't no palm trees in the ghetto. Yeah, it's cloudy weather, but we shining bright as ever. I refuse to lose in any game I choose to play. Until I die, I gotta get it in the major way. Akon, save the day.
I have no choice but to win, cause I absolutely can't lose, no way. 200% I am on my job. Getting money, ain't nothing left that I can say. Get on your job with me, get on your job with me. Ready for tomorrow, it ain't too late. Cause when the people come looking for that money, tell me, man, what you gon' say?
Fucking with me, man. He-man, ski-man, spending next week's cash. He fast, and I don't even need a G-Pass. I'm past that, I'm passing them out now, and you can't have that. And my chain too can't Sam that. Tropical colors, you can't match that. Gotta be abstract. You catch my girl legs open, better smash that. Don't be surprised if she asks where the cash at. I see she wearing them jeans that show her butt crack. My girls can't wear that. Why? That's where my stash at. I put my Mac down, that's where you lack at. She need a candle lit, and I'ma wax that. I rekindled the flame, she remembered the name. It's Weezy baby, January, December the same. Mama give me that brain, mama give me that good. Cause I'm the fireman, you hear the fire truck. On campus, it's the Birdman Jr. Money too long, teachers put away the rulers. Fraud tune, not a cartoon. No shirt, tattoos, and some wall wounds. Sexy. I'm hot, but the car cool. She wet, that's a carpool. Been in that water since a youngin', you just shark food. Quick draw McGraw, I went to art school. Yeah, the lights is bright, but I got a sharp fuse. Don't snooze, been handling the game so long, my thumb's bruised. Your new girlfriend is old news. You ain't got enough green and she's so blue. Yeah, cash money breakfast where dreams come true. Everything is easy, baby, leave it up to Weezy, baby. Put it in a pot, let it steam, let it brew. Now watch it melt, don't burn yourself, cuz
All F, sors du poste, kiffe mon couplet. Devant la te bois carré, ta feu me kiffe mon couplet. Pareil que tu peuras que t'es partout, moi je vois pas où t'es. À l'écoute de l'album, ta grand-mère va être outrée. Les fumées fallait, vibre dans les palais. Difficile de rapper avec une bite sur le palais. RS4 nickel, 6.3 ml. Tôt ou tard, et qui feront fouini babe, c'est fils de Zemmel. Frérot, j'ai de la bonne, prends-en pas trop, ça rend malade. J'kiffe les hôtels, les pillages, j'kiffe Ramayad. J'ai grandi dans la merde, de portefeuille de mauvaise humeur. T'as pu me voir dans le 16ème avec un pocheton et de la sueur. Yeah, avec un pocheton et de la sueur. Dans le rap j'ai trop d'avance, ils me suivent que sur Twitter. Sortez les KX, les RM, la chatte à leur rhum. J'faisais ma loi avec un gun et un gros verre de rhum. Yeah, à l'aise dans ma cellule et ça les dérange. Le rap pue la merde, j'ai brûlé quelques pots d'orange. Veulent faire la révolution, on veut faire des lovés. Sur la route du succès, ils roulent les pneus crevés. Mais c'est pas un secret, un jour on va les crever. Mon gros problème c'est la bouteille, les glaçons les revêt. Mathusalem, Autour de ma Mathusalem, trop de Mathusemel. T'as un flow banal, t'as un flow anal. Ton album dans le canal, quand on rappe t'as mal. Ouais ta meuf se couche, pourtant y'a pas de rafale. Funny baby, Che Guevara. On a bouffé la checké, pareil pour te niquer ta race. Yeah, pour vendre la C, ouais on a séché les cours. Ta meuf s'en fout des Beatles, elle aime les beats tout court. Yeah, ton flow est mort, pourtant tu rappes toujours. Tout le monde croit que t'es en vie, t'as les Tupac Shakur. Sénégal, Maroc, Algérie, Congo, Mali. Sur le beat mon flow glisse, Soraya Bonali. J'suis dans les soirées UP, dans les soirées coupe-gorge. Le peur a été dead, et t'as la Libye à Guy Georges. Yeah, pas barbichette sur le menton. Mon Louis Vuitton vient de Pluton. Veulent faire la révolution, on veut faire des levées. Sur la route du succès, ils roulent les pneus crevés. Mais c'est pas un secret, un jour on va les crever. Mon problème c'est la bouteille, les glaces on les revêt. Mathusalem, 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 Mathusalem. La bouteille, les glaces on les revêt. Yeah, y'a que la prison qui peut me sauver des meufs. Ce matin j'fume un winge, ce soir j'fume un keuf. Mon ref, mandat cette pute de Miss France. J'dis rien devant la juge, pour ça que tous mes complices dansent. Mathusalem sur la table, dis bonjour au clito. Les rappeurs sont des mythos, dans leur slip ont du pépito. Dans le sale, banlieue ouest, j'avais pas de quoi m'acheter un pull quand le peur a tourné sa veste. Mathusalem,
Mathusalem, Mathusalem, Mathusalem, Mathusalem, Mathusalem, Mathusalem. La Mathusalem, les glaces on les refait. La Mathusalem, les glaces on les Mathusalem, Mathusalem, les glaces on les refait.
Hey, I got my drop top low and I'm headed to the motherland. Ripping on the steering wheel, passengers a duffel bag. 100 in the Louis, don't confuse me with that other cat. Engine in the trunk jack, pushing like a super pack. Automatic button pad, just to kick the top back. Ruby red inside, Lamborghini fruit snack. 22, that's for the shoe, you know them bitches got a match. Back in the back of the like in case them pussy niggas want the jack. No, I keep that 45, throw you in the cabin patch. Hit you right between the eyes and leave you like an alley rat. 100 for the bracelet, and check them like a magnet. Hit them with the gutter swag, swinging with the Louis rag. Baby gave it down, but I never gave a fuck. Rep your city like a cheating, put your middle fingers up. I got the east side rolling in the west side, on south side rolling with me in the north side. Go. Catch me slipping never though. No, I keep that full clip. Come and get your super soak. Call me Mr. Cinemax. Shoot you like a movie roll. 100 on the highway. Let's see how bad the cook can go. Knew what this shit fit the kid. They ship the shit from England. Catch me in the foreign whip. Clowning like the Ringerlands. Yes, I'm on some other shit. Don't know who you fucking with. Yes, I keep that 45. You better keep a bodyguard. Say this in the parking lot. So you know the block is hot. Tell them we don't give a shit and motherfuck the other side. Bitch, you know I'm gonna ride. HB on some murder mine. Open up the suicide. Doors calling homicide. Baby gave it down, but I never gave a fuck. Rep your city like a cheating. Put your middle fingers up. I got the east side rolling in the west side. On south side rolling with me in the north side. Go. I got my black flag swinging and I'm banging on some blood shit. Just got me a spaceship, looking from the government. White on white, top top, call that bitch a cool whip. I just blow the brains out. I used to dream.
Wayne Bridges, what up?
Money and the cars and girls.
Let's go.
But now I see
Big Phil, we made this shit happen, homie. History in the making.
Top of the world, the whole world. Hey, sing, 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 sing. I'm sitting on top of the world.
Mama, I did it.
Sing, 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 sing. I'm sitting on top of the world.
Hey, man, I remember before I say that, wait, let me issue this statement. No way should reflection be mistaken for glorification. Now, I remember so vivid, me and my niggas was living substandard condition, still handling business, still laughing and tripping, still having the bitches. I'm rapping now, reminiscing, and goddamn it, we did it. From trapping, standing in the picture with bricks, we stand in the kitchen, splitting it 8 ways, flipping it 8 days. Thought the wild and unruly was just the way to behave. Kept away in the yay, but most of the paper we made in all dimes. I ain't lying, the pleasure always outshine the niggas with small minds. Who'd have thought we'd be arguably the greatest of all time round here? We developed such a sound down here, been duplicated off the steel, can only be found here. Only listen to G's, that other shit I don't hear. Shit, they so far in the rear, why would I even care? I'm too busy being a player, steering niggas' careers. Been talking about it for years, and now we finally here.
I used to dream, about the money and the cars and girls. But now I see, because I'm sitting on top of the world. And now I see, get my heart on this, because I'm sitting on top of the world. And now I see, rest in peace, Wayne Ritter. They say what goes up must come down, but I ain't reached my cruising altitude. Take a look at what I did, but can you imagine what I'm about to do? The places I'm about to go and the money I'm about to see. Gave Bill Gates some binoculars and said, look out for me. Exceeded expectations, even the Def Jam, cause I married the streets and Atlanta has been my best man. My mama quit a job and now she works with 6 figures, cause I'm a self-made, nappy-headed rich nigga. Private planes help me travel in peace to 4 cities in 1 day and 4 countries in 1 week. Cause I work for myself and no one else, cause I'm too smart to put one of my partners right through culinary art school. Now he my personal chef, so that bread he get it. Put them all in houses, cleaned up all of my friends' credit. And now they witness all the glitz and the glamour. Catch us eating at Straits Atlanta with women with table manners. Ordering Singaporean lobster, celebrating coming from nothing to winning Grammys. And rappers winning Oscars, yeah. And they say rappers shouldn't act, nah suckers. We see Samuel Jackson like, what's up, motherfucker? I used to dream, about the money and the cars and girls. But now I see, because I'm sitting on top of the world. And now I see,
Parce que je fais pas du rap français, je fais du rap en français. Les keufs rap en ouvre pas, banlieue sale t'approuve pas. Ton équipe c'est personne, ma gueule, même Google te trouve pas. On regarde le rap d'en haut, c'est pas des paroles en l'air. Enfin si, on est des stars, tu veux nous shooter, tire en l'air. Fouini, paye, banlieue sale c'est le label. Allô tu disais quoi? Bouge pas, j'ai l'argent, double appel. 7-8 depuis le début, on a fait des déçus. Veni Vici, t'es venu, t'as vu, t'as cessu. Tu veux gagner, change d'équipe, tu vas te prendre un coup de cric. Toutes les fumeux dans tes clips, on déjà sucé toute ma clique. Sur la lune, j'y étais, ils ont fait du bruit en se posant, j'ai dû reposer mon couplet. Peut-être que l'année prochaine ils seront là où hier j'étais. Frère j'ai trop d'avant, j'arrive en gros Cayenne. J'étais en gros Cayenne. Frérot ça puait le pédo dans ma super sac PC. Monsieur le corbeau,
Sopran Baba, Marseille. Here we go again.
Devinez qui vient de Mars, Sopran Baba, Léonidas. Un caïd immature comme Ribéry, Anelka ou Galas. Mais pas Béras, que des piranhas sortis des marécages. Je suis détesté car vu du ciel, je brille plus que Las Vegas. Fais de la place aux camarades, Sopran Baba, flotte une calage. J'appelle-moi Wheezy F, car t'es Maniki, Living Skimming. Oh my god, les MC sont pas ma pote. Ils veulent te voir de quoi. Dis-leur qu'il leur faut un télescope. Car je suis trop loin pour eux, mon style ne fait que les scandaliser. Amène-moi les sur ma planète que je puisse les halaliser. Ils t'en font plus qu'un barbare quand je me mets à débuter. Ne m'appelle pas Toby, mon nom à moi c'est Sopra Quinté. Oui, j'ai trop d'appétit, laisse-moi le son que j'engloutis. Pendant que les autres MC habillent leur flow et leur critique. Qu'ils aillent tous vite s'abuter. Je ne ferai pas de charité. T'es dit mon nom à moi c'est pas Toby mais Sopra Quinté.
Ok, quoi neuf admirable?
Un négro dans la ville, car ne s'arrache les cheveux, les envieux s'épulent.
Yeah.
J'arrive comme Hugo, comme Katrina.
J't'opère à vivre sans m'enfuir.
J'suis poil ou toi détail fait. Le menant la ville, c'est qu'il dans le sol ghetto Guadalajara m'enfile. T'es armé comme les Gola. Ennemi, j'mange ça comme du chocolat. Banlieue sale, animal, quand on arrive, tout le monde fait la hola. On est dans le futur, toi t'es flot comme moi si. On n'a pas choisi la musique, c'est elle qui nous a choisi. Flow assassin meurtrier, ruiné au bas d'habitouillé. 78 banlieue sale, banlieue ouest, banlieue ok.
Yeah, dédicace Admiralty 971 baby. Ok,
Sick kicks.
maintenant ça c'est DDDX, demande à Steak
DDDX.
Yeah.
J'écoute Punchline, ma couillasse, j'laisse les MC en dallo. J'suis en concert au Dallas. et au scandalo. On t'allume au calache, roue arrière en chaque d'assaut. Petit narvalo du robinet, narvalo du caniveau. Dans le rap j'ai aucun niveau, avec leur face tout en carton. Les MCP dans mes rimes comme si j'étais tout en canon. On a des gueules de Stremont et des gros Stremont. Ma bite dans l'œil ton, ça fait 10 dans l'œil du maton. On parle l'argot de Tremont, criave les autres ténors. Exécute quand on donne nos ordres, baisse les putes comme un dinosaure. J'suis avec Belzébuth, siffle un abugodonosor. J'rappe les doigts dans la gorge pour chapper mes meilleurs sorts. Tu veux de l'écaille de poisson, pas besoin d'aller au port. Cherche que des avions, appelle-moi l'aéroport. Au pied une paire de danger, au bras un paquet Bouka. Fais porter le vol à ta femme, on la viole.
Quoi de neuf, canardo?
Écoute cette grosse prod soniquée, l'alcool est martiniqué. Gros, je crois que je vais tout niquer, toujours al comme manuqué. Flow 1000 et millénium, le tien est sans unité. J'ai la dégaine d'un criquet qui te fout à poil breliqué. Canardo dans la cour d'écran, bambam, les sales mecs on entreprend. Ta petite tête est dans nos rétros, refrais la nôtre est dans ton écran. Si tu rappes après moi c'est que t'as du cran, un petit conseil recule d'un cran. Prolique non je connais pas de cran d'arrêt, de trappe à Abidjan. J'ai les pieds dans le bise et la tête dans la tise dans la main et de l'autre je te vise. Bambam, les sales musique, physique, technique, t'inquiète pas on maîtrise. Déterminé comme Aboutou, mais tu piges pas le flow et vaudou, hey.
Même sur une chaise tu m'arrives à peine aux genoux,
ouais.
N2S, N2S.
Train, Tarbeda 04000 caf, ça bouge pas. Autre nous pisse prolique verbal. Voyez sale, on s'en jase. Autre nous pisse prolique verbal. 1143 dans le trou de balle. Aujourd'hui je suis extrait, je vais me sauver du tribunal. Hashish drame ma tribu, kiffe la pénétration anale. Ed Smith, Maïsi, au Poliezard qui fait danser. Leader, j'suis ton pire cauchemar. Obligé que ça parte en bagarre. Énervé, j'ai pas compris. Aujourd'hui y'avait les gendarmes au parloir. Regard en frère rouge, Royal et Lion, ils chassent dans le noir. Panthère perruquée, je vais te piquer, je suis ton prédateur en haut. Je suis avec Omar dans une impasse en X-Max. Spécial delivery, ma grosse berry, c'est Mad Max. Je suis tellement violent pour toi, espèce de petite connasse. Tu vas porter un tampax toute l'année en talk. Je suis number one comme Colmax. Royal mon flow, un numéro d'écrou. Je rigole quand je m'écroule. Je suis complètement merboulé à la départementale qui patrouille. On s'envole comme les aigles. Royal, les eunuques n'ont plus de couilles. Bafana, Tarbeda, hors la loi qui passe à la fouille. Ça, 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 chargé, chargé, chargé.
Elle a pas mis ses banlieues ça. Bah ouais on est des photos. On s'en bat les couilles, c'est ça au ghetto. À tous nos blagues, à vos fusils.
Chargé.
Baby, boom, bye, bye. Set your standards lower, boy, you're aiming too high. Matter of fact, your friend looks at us, so goodbye. Baby, don't worry, 'cause they got plenty more. Maybe falling like the rain, so we ain't running out. Falling like the rain, so we ain't running out. Falling like the rain, so we ain't running out. Always running in, girl, what you worry about? Oh yeah, yeah, oh, 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 oh yeah, yeah, oh, 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 oh yeah, yeah, oh, oh, oh yeah, 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 oh, oh, oh.
Excuse me, but who are you fixing to be? Let the motherfuckers know it's plenty fish in the sea. Now we sweating me just 'cause I got the tightest whore, but I couldn't find out that thing with a microscope. Give me dome, dome, da 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 da, dome, dome, dome. I ain't tripping on your money, money, long, long, long. With my own TV production company, so tell her about to hit me silly. Anyway, Riri, with my Twitch your name freely. Money got you vacationing in Chile. Do you wanna sit on the balcony like really?
No, for real, really?
Lay down on the beach, they be feeding me my catfishes, 'cause there's raining men. That
baby falling like the rain, so we ain't running out. Falling like the rain, so we ain't running out. Falling like the rain, so we ain't running out. Always running in, girl, what you worry about? Oh yeah, yeah, oh, 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 oh yeah, yeah, oh, 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 oh yeah, yeah, oh, oh, oh yeah, yeah,
stay out of my way. Where my late days, got it big, living good, doing big things. Get lines and don't pay. Play you keep the money, I could buy my own drink. Up in the club, see men coming down a dozen, so it don't mean nothing to me. And I ain't even worried about you, homie, cause there's plenty more fish in the sea.
On s'enjaille en première, ce cloud au-dessus des louas. Quoi qu'il en soit, je te raquette tes chaussures. Yannick Noah, grosse paire de couilles, je suis dans le vaisseau père. L'argent n'a pas d'odeur, mais la fouine a du flair. Mercedes-Benz, pourquoi tu louches? Je vais mettre du savon sur mon gun. Bam bouche. Bonsoir, viens faire le malin pour voir. Au revoir. Contrôle, on contrôle, au-dessus de on trône. C'est la violence qu'on prône, ces rappeurs font l'aumône. Street swag et les survêtes, fructueuse et la recette. Si la chance me tourne le dos, c'est pour que je la prenne en levrette. J'arrive en balle, Alain, Prost, si t'as fini, pose. La concurrence c'est rare comme DJ Cost. Le trône je l'aurais boré, uni depuis l'île de Corée. Bracelet doré, je vaux des millions, pastoré. Frérot quand la banlieue sale arrive, il se passe quelque chose. Dis au serveur de rajouter de la cheese, il se passe quelque chose. Numéro 1 frérot quand on bise, il se passe quelque chose. Il se passe quelque chose, il se passe quelque chose. Oh oh, quand on arrive, il se passe quelque chose. Oh oh, dans le stade, il se passe quelque chose. Oh oh, au maillet, il se passe quelque chose. Oh oh, il se passe quelque chose. Oh oh, quand on arrive, il se passe quelque chose. Oh oh, dans le sale, il se passe quelque chose. Oh oh, beau maillet, il se passe quelque chose. Oh oh, il se passe quelque chose.
Ils voudraient tous m'égaler, ils se sont tous égarés, tous régalés. Vous avec le juice du bouc sénégalais. On pourrait tous les calmer, on pourrait tous les cramer. Tous les canner. Ça vient de Kinkina, je veux pas d'une mannequina mesquina. J'aime les femmes fières et pas les victimes. Mon couplet kill, miskina. Tu peux me pull up comme dans une soirée dance hall. Sin Sima. Et j'ai l'image rebelle quand je salis mon cœur. Je suis un sorcier venu du bled, appelle-moi pas Harry Potter. J'ai pris la vie en doggy strass paillette. Et je ne baisse que des princesses, je finirai dead comme Dodi Al-Fayed. Noir désir hardcore, je fais du rap rock. Et quand j'arrive il crie comme si je m'appelais Black Rock. J'enchaîne les classiques et les hits en Inde et je vous emmerde. Bientôt le Zénith, viens et jette un Y en l'air.
Frérot, quand la banlieue sale arrive, passe quelque chose. Dis au serveur de rajouter de la cheese, passe quelque chose. Numéro 1 frérot, quand on bise, passe quelque chose. Il se passe quelque chose, il se passe quelque chose. Oh, oh, quand on arrive, il se passe quelque chose. Oh, oh, quand le sale, il se passe quelque chose. Oh, oh, au maillet, il se passe quelque chose. Oh, oh, il se passe quelque chose. Oh, oh, quand on arrive, il se passe quelque chose. Oh, oh, dans le sale, il se passe quelque chose. Oh, oh, beau maillet, il se passe quelque chose. Oh, oh, il se passe quelque chose.
Fini Bay, El Aoudi, on geste ou on s'enjaille? On s'enjaille ou on geste? Il se passe quelque chose. Fini.
Moi je suis devenu postillon. Soudain ma silhouette dans le sillon, comme une étincelle dans le néant. La vie me lâche dans un tourbillon, mon pressé me relâche en accordéon. J'aime toutes les couleurs, passion, j'emporte une seule en l'humeur. Caméléon, effet Pygmalion, battement d'aile de papillon. Effet Pygmalion, battement d'aile de papillon. Main en visière, puis main en l'air. Je fais des signes aux hélicoptères. Main en visière, bras de fer. Moi contre moi, c'est la guerre. Main en visière, puis main en l'air. Je fais des signes aux hélicoptères. Main en visière, bras de fer. Si je me mange, je vais en enfer. Appelez la police. Appelez la police. Appelez la police. Appelez la police. Complice, mais je ne connais pas les coulisses. Qui joue avec le feu n'est pas celui qui l'attise. Éclipse, oui dans les abysses je glisse. Les échos des cris retentissent. Indice, mon verre est à moitié plein, mais je me noie dans la moitié vide. Novice, venu au monde sans notice. Je cours après moi Iblis. Effet Pygmalion, battement d'aile de papillon. Effet Pygmalion, battement d'aile de papillon. Main en visière, puis main en l'air. Je fais des signes aux hélicoptères. Main en visière, bras de fer. Moi contre moi, c'est la guerre. Main en visière, puis main en l'air. Je fais des signes aux hélicoptères. Main en visière, bras de fer. Si je me mange, je vais en enfer. Cholet, 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 attention, danger, le micro est chargé, la foule est affolée. Cholet, 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 attention, danger, le micro est chargé, la foule est dopée. Appelez la police. 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 Appelez la police.
Y'a des choses que sont platines. Derrière le mic, c'est comme
car ma plaquette est bonne. Je peux finir rangé à mes frères si la feu que est bonne. J'allais souvent frapper chez Jérôme le soir, car sa daronne était bonne. Quand la musique est bonne, c'est que j'écris toute la nuit sans relâche et que les voisins s'étonnent. Ça déambule devant le flip car la CC est bonne. T'écoutes sûrement Capital, les crimes. Quand la musique est bonne, yeah. Quand la musique est bonne, tu peux venir pécho dans le 7-8 car ma ria est bonne. Je peux finir au star ce soir frère si la matin est bonne. Si tu t'embrouilles toute la nuit devant la boîte, c'est que ta salope est bonne. Quand la musique est bonne, pas de thème précis Renoir car ma musique est conne. On peut finir en tête à tête parce que l'homme c'est l'homme. Derrière les platines sur mon DJ battle. Quand la musique est bonne.
Deuxième opus, y'a du crime dans l'air.
Y'a du crime dans l'air, dans les danses. Yeah,
Que la justice a niqué sa mère.
m'emmène là, oui, pour les salles, capitale du crime.
Deuxième opus, y'a du crime dans l'air.
Eh bien, voilà, dans le 7-8, y'a du crime dans l'air. Ça c'est pour tous ceux qui traînent dans ce ring soir.
Quand la musique est bonne, parfois je gère des partout, mais les renois sont trop bonnes. Si je finis pas au trou ce soir, c'est que la justice est conne. Ils veulent tous être les kings du rap. Je crois qu'il y a un god sous le trône. Yeah, quand la musique est bonne, si je traîne avec le frère, c'est que la sœur est trop bonne. Je passais tranquille en carmouche, j'ai vu le rap faire l'aumône. Des rappeurs et puis des putes en vitrine. Quand la musique est bonne. Quand la musique et les Uzi s'unissent, tape des cunis, t'as les cabas brunis, devant juste uni, v'là le flow fouini, respect au possi. Chante le mur au poissy, bois d'aroni fleuri, laisse pas pousser. Et ta daronne aussi, bonne, comme le cul de ta mère. Fils de pute, tu veux ma chute, devant les keufs on dit chute. Elle est bonne coupée à l'opium, que Nicolas et ses porcs me pardonnent. Quand la musique est bonne.
Touchdown. In the Midwest, we okay. Everybody know them Southern boys love that bass.
Atlanta go bananas, Alabama, Louisiana, Mississippi, Tennessee. Every motherfucking state when we touch down.
Go right from the plane to the rain when we
touch down.
On a private plane, getting brain till we
touch down. There ain't no way to keep them quiet with T.I. and Shady, baby. We bout to inside a ride when we touch down.
When we get in town, you know how we getting down. Pull up clean and hop on out. Snatch all the freaks and walk on out. I'm living what they talking about. I'm shining if it dark or not. That 100 EX double all you find it in the parking lot. You barking up the wrong tree. I do this shit for zone 3, 4, 5, and 6. And well, it's one Atlanta. I'm forever, son. I still be on whatever coat. Grind blowing heavy smoke. AM, you better tell them folk won't hesitate to let them go. They know I put that green light on them haters. Keep on trying me. I put that beam right on your tailor. Man, you don't wanna see T.I.P. outrageous. Try to keep them in a cage, but somehow he keep escaping. That's why I be on vacation, Virgin Island. I be taking private planes out to Spain. I keep on flying, I ain't faking. The money ain't a thing, think I'm lying, you're mistaken. You can find long lines, all kinds of bitches waiting when we touch down. In the Midwest, we okay. Everybody know them Southern boys love that bass.
Atlanta go bananas, Alabama, Louisiana, Mississippi, Tennessee. Every motherfucking state when we touch down.
Go right from the plane to the rain when we
touch down.
On a private plane, getting brain till we
touch down. There ain't no way to keep them quiet with T.I. and Shady, baby. We bout to inside a ride when we touch down. Welcome to the Midwest, yes, where them Detroit players ball like you have no idea. The more's here, got the whole place looking like it's candy painted, ain't it? Like we left the kids at home and just let them loose with the crayons. Fuck, I just hit a jogger. People looking like Frogger, they're hopping out of the way whenever they see Marshall's car coming. The kids painting my windows with black permanent marker and let the rest of the car cover color like swirl pops. And I got the bass thumping, but I'm bound to bump into something. Kids are flying through the air looking like they're clumping. The way they're tumbling, I gotta do something. But as soon as I hit the car wash to get the tar, they're just right back at it tomorrow. They're like, Dad, this is in, so you with the trend. This is for the pimps, listening to memes. Nail polish on the rims, and that was custom chrome. But I gotta go do a show, so go on with your bad selves. Have it back to normal when I touch down.
In the Midwest, we okay. Everybody know them Southern boys love that bass.
Atlanta go bananas, Alabama, Louisiana, Mississippi, Tennessee. Every motherfucking state when we touch down.
Go right from the plane to the rain when we
touch down.
On a private plane, getting brain till we
touch down. There ain't no way to keep them quiet with T.I. and Shady, baby. We bout to inside a ride. Won't try me.
Valentino.
She thinking about trying me. She want it, she can't take no more. I'm about to take her to my spot. Yeah, I'ma get it hot.
Yeah,
she gon' turn around
and let me
beat. She gon' let me beat. I'ma tear it up. Beat. She gon' let me beat. I'ma have her screaming like go. Come with me. I'ma have her screaming like go.
Excuse me, miss, but sexy can I take you to my crib, make love on my piano. Yeah, you know me, little shawty from Atlanta. I wanna do some things to you. Touch your body, make you get naughty. Say my name when I beat. We can do it in the coupe or the Jeep. Cause girl, you know you're turning me on.
She eyeing me, she looking like she thinking about trying me. She want it, she can't take no more. I'm about to take her to my spot. I'ma get it hot. She gon' turn around and let me beat. Yeah. She gon' let me beat. I'ma tear it up. Beat. She gon' let me beat. I'ma have her screaming like go. I'ma have her screaming like go. I'ma tear it up.
Got a pole in my condo, I can make it rain. Now make it clap for me, you drive me crazy. I know you want me, cause I want you, girl. Tell me, can we kick it tonight? Lights, camera, action, I'll play director. Turn you out, let me sneak a peek. Turn you out on the late night creep. Ain't no playing no games tonight.
She been eyeing me, she looking like she thinking about trying me. She want it, she can't take no more. I'ma get it hot. She gon' turn around and let me beat. She gon' let me beat.
Let me tell you what she like. Young J.O. Let me give her my side of the story. I can tell the way she watching me. She love the way I swag it out. Got enough to go around, I might as well pass it out. She say she like the way I work her out until she passing out. Wanna be with a star, well mama, I'm an astronaut. Let her lick the rapper, I call that the jawbreaker. If her back was the law, they call me a lawbreaker. Love the way she roll her hips, it's like she on the bean. Drop her, make her lose her voice like she on the screen machine. She say my Cavalli cologne be turning her on, and she's a fiend cause my black snake be making her moan like all night we gon' freak. Damn right.
Got something to take it, girl. Got something I wanna do. Come on. Got something to tell you I wanna
I've been looking for you for a long damn time, but you've been gone away, I nearly lost my mind. Now we're in the club and you're grinding on me, touching on me, got me going crazy. That skirt you wearing gotta play your own swole. As I glance at my watch and see the night is growing old, I start to reminisce about when we were shorties, backseat of my Jeep. Yes, I'm feeling horny as I play my position posted up on the wall. Happy to hear the DJ say last call, cause what that means is we about to leave and I'm about to be all up on you and you up on me. Cause I want you, baby. In the middle of the night I'm gonna rub, and if you let me go down I'm gonna taste you. And when it's all said and done I'm gonna, you know what I want you, baby. In the middle of the night I'm gonna rub you, and if you let me go down I'm gonna taste you. And when it's all said and done I'm gonna, it's hard to keep in touch when you're off in school, but now you're right here, we can do what we do. Come on. Start in the car and end up in the living room. Kiss around your navel while you're on the end table. Push the magazines down on the floor. I'm your soldier, so I'm ready to go to war. And you told me you're hot and you're ready. Your legs won't stop shaking, just give it to me, daddy. And I like the way your body's looking right there, knowing we might not even make it upstairs. And what that means is just relax your mind and baby let it flow. It's going down and that's for sure. Cause I want you, and in the middle of the night I'm gonna rub, and if you let me go down I'm gonna taste it. And when it's all said and done I'm gonna, you know what. And in the middle of the night I'm gonna rub, and if you let me go down I'm gonna taste you. And when it's all said and done I'm gonna, yes I will. You know what? Yes I will.
fresh off the G4, need no intro. We see baby nympho, him so gentle with it. Still got mommy limbo. Little Woody put his thing down like Matumbo. Young though, rich, smart, humble. Got something down low to make your walls crumble. Not rough though, slow-mo, promo. We could go video, that's right. Nasty, it's all in me. How he rapping, got women like he R&B. What you know about your legs in the air, with your head in the chair and my hands in your hair? We could go there, what I'm saying sounds fair. Don't trip, I kiss every lip, don't flip. Flip up the doors on the outer country whip. I could take you out of this world, baby. Let's dip.
Come on. You, and in the middle of the night I'm gonna rub. And if you let me go down, I'm gonna taste. And when it's all said and done, I'm gonna, you know what? And that's where dreams come from. Walk up my dreams. Somebody gon' die tonight. You already know that pimpin'. Hey, it's Cash Money Records, rain on wall, no pimpin'.
Unfucking believable. Lil Wayne's the president. Fuck him, fuck him, fuck him. Even if they celebrate, I know the game is crazy. It's more crazy than it's ever been. I'm married to that crazy bitch. Call me Kevin Federline. It's obvious that he'll be Cash Money till the death of him. The ground she'll break when they bury him. Bury him. I know one day they gotta bury him. Better lock my casket tight, baby, so I don't let the devil in. People, it's just me and my guitar. Yeah, bitch, I'm heavy metalin'. You can get the fucking Led Zeppelin. Niggas is bitches, bitches. I think they full of estrogen. And we hold court and take your life for a settlement. Yes, I'm the best. And no, I ain't positive, I'm definite. I know the game like I'm reffing it. This is the Carter 3, the New Testament. And I'm the God, and this is what I bless them with. Bitch, I'm me, I'm me, I'm me, I'm me. Baby, I'm me. So who you? You're not me, you're not me. And I know that ain't fair, but I don't care. I'm a motherfucking Cash Money millionaire. I know that ain't fair, but I don't care. I'm a motherfucking Cash Money millionaire. Yeah. Junior. It's Cash Money over everything. It's in my blood, I feel it running in every vein. I'm from the mud, I am a missile like a scud. What's really good, I'm about that ruckus like bud. And I stayed on my flow at Cash Money like a rug. Tied to the fucking Birdman like a love. And dear Mr. Ronald Williams, to you I shall forever give thanks like a pilgrim. Cash Money million, heir to the throne. Going at their heads like hair in a comb. Sitting by the window, I just stare at the stone. Know I'ma get through it like hair in a comb. Y'all money over bitches, my niggas trust my senses. And I will take a gesture as the Lord is my witness. And you all have witnessed, but I am not finished. So keep your mouth closed and let your eyes listen. Bitch, I'm me, I'm me, I'm me, baby, I'm me. So who you? You're not me, you're not me. And I know that ain't fair, but I don't care. I'm a motherfucking Cash Money millionaire. I know that ain't fair, but I don't care. I'm still a motherfucking Cash Money millionaire. Bitch. Last year they had the Grammys and left me in Miami. Sleeping on a nigga like I'm rapping in my jammies. I'm rapping when you sleep, I was rapping when you were in jammies. Mel Gibson flow, lethal weapon, book 'em Danny. I'm a monster, I tell you, Monster Wayne. I have just swallowed the key to the house of pain. Now I'm stuck here to deal with the house's pain. Fuck with me, I would peel like the house's pain. Let's go, niggas don't want to see me cause I'm better and bold. The only time I will depend is when I'm 70 years old. That's when I can't hold my shit within, so I shit on myself cause I'm so sick and tired of shit on everybody else. I'm trying to tell you like I'm saying something. I'm from the dirty like the bottom of my pants cuff. And there nothing gon' stop me, so just envy it. Hey, I'll accept a friendly quit. Yeah, I'm me, bitch, I'm me, baby, I'm me. So who you? Fuck you, you're not me. And I know that ain't fair.
You serious, man? You must not know who I be. You know, you got your little friends in the building.
live how I live. You can't shine like me, you know, ride like me, you know, dance like me, you know, ain't from the streets, I'm a hood star. You know who I'm is. I'm rapping, cause you can't live how I live. 10 carats on my earlobes, check. BBS is on my wrist, 20 carats on my neck. While you're sliding in that little bitty 06 back. I'm waiting on the runway for my G4 jet. I'm ahead of the game, you see you boys got next. Did a little bit of acting just to stack a few checks. I ain't gotta remind y'all how the game go. I'm the youngest with a clothing line, first with a TV show. I ain't in the pros and I got 3 black cars. Call the Saints over, they can practice in the backyard. I do it big, I guess I say I'm just the best at it. Had a meal early, man, I been learned my mathematics. 02, cotton 06. Boy, stop stunning, if I won, I can have your chick. Don't get it twisted, Richie Rich, so gutter. Use a mama boy, I'm the son of a hustler. You can't shine like me, you know, ride like me, you know, dance like me, you know, you ain't from the streets, I'm a hood star. You know who I'm is. I'm rapping ice, you can't live how I live. You can't shine like me, you know, ride like me, you know, dance like me, you know, ain't from the streets, I'm a hood star. You know who I'm is. I'm rapping ice, you can't live how I live. See me, I'm so fly and I'm different from them other brothers. Only 16 and I don't live home with mother. Me, I keep it real, don't believe. You can ask my brother, kids popping in grills and they think they getting tougher. They trying to take off their shirts and they getting buckled. I'm benching 180 and that's just with one muscle. I see dudes trying to act like me, be like me, dog even dress like me. No, you're not me and there won't be another. Skip that, let me get to the jewels in the color. So many rocks on my hand. I'm a certified hustler, got a wizard on your hands, kinda like a Ron Butler. Who me? I just learned from the best. Hood star down south with a mansion on the west. Yes, I got a Bentley that I don't even drive, and I just bought a Phantom just to see how it ride. You can't shine like me, you know, ride like me, you know, dance like me, you know, you ain't from the streets, I'm a hood star. You know who I'm is. I'm rapping ice, you can't live how I live.
Yeah, Young B, check the 6 time zone. Throw away your little jewelry, all that fake rhinestone. My ride home consists of me in the rain. Don't have the window shop, boy, look at the ice ain't changed. Check the paint color, boy, it consistently changed. Me and my big brother Payne, man, we changing the game. Look, ice in my mouth, I'm so country and gutter. I'm a hood star, rich boy, number one hustler.
Excuse me, sir. I'm sorry I didn't introduce myself. DMS is the name. The trouble is back again with them blinks on my chain. We never gonna be the same. I came in this game when some of you were still learning to talk. Nya 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 nya. I made a lot of hits and I got a lot of fame, a lot of girlfriends and a lot of fake friends. They coming to me when I get paid. Bah, 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 bah. But I ain't give a damn, we can only the cake. Already got a lot of fans even in the States. So when they see me on the street they like, oh la la, Abandi oh yasha, Njewe bashaka. Ha ha ha, DMS kukinya Rwanda. Kukumunzira kukungarute kumihanda. I bite like a snake, better call me Mr. Anaconda. Party aba buga iti blah 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 blah. Party aba seka iti ha 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 ha. Body hey hey, body hey hey, body hey hey, body hey hey. Party aba buga iti blah 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 blah. Party aba seka iti ha 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 ha. Body hey hey, body hey hey, body hey hey, body hey hey. Show me what you got when you touch the mind. Grant the mic and you justify. They say you the best on your countryside. They say you pop and never stop. But now you drop, now you stop in front of the crowd. Yeah, I see you when I cry. Now you better recognize DMS is DMS. Only DMS can pass the test. So DMS and I'm the best. Of course it's gonna make us say yes. Yes, he doesn't rest. First, the only verse. You already know there's no chorus. So slow down, then it goes so fast like Kunta Kinte. Hey DJ BT, you won't be seeing BT, the Barrick music BT. A, B, C, DMS representing the city. KG and the city, I know you gonna feel it. My flow need no visa, he crosses the border with no zigzag. Time to get in this African with a brand new sound. Don't forget your culture, I'm representing Rwanda, but I feel like home in Kenya, Tanzania, Burundi, Uganda. Party aba buga iti blah 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 blah. Party aba seka iti ha 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 ha. body hey hey, body hey hey, body hey hey, body hey hey, body abavuga iti bla 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 bla, body abaseka iti ha 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 ha, body hey hey, body hey hey, body hey hey, body hey hey. May I have your attention please? Here haters, I ain't never gonna stop this shit. So you can go where you from.
Si on est là, baby.
What you wanna do?
Man, si on est là, c'est qu'on fait le taf gros. Man, si on est là, c'est qu'on fait le taf gros. Man, si on est là, c'est qu'on fait le taf gros. Man, à part Dieu, on doit rien à personne. Man, si on est là, c'est qu'on fait le taf gros. Man, si on est là, c'est qu'on fait le taf gros. Man, si on est là, c'est qu'on fait le taf gros. Man, à part Dieu, on doit rien à personne. J'ai mon gros bling bling, nique sa mère les bibliothèques. J'ai toujours ma salope, mon brolique, mon queue au bec. 2-3 kilos chez ou investir. Ces rappeurs conscients ont-ils conscience que je baisse plus qu'ils ne respirent? Si le talent ça payait, la clique serait tous millionnaires. Je regarde le boule des salopes car je suis un visionnaire. J'attends ma condi, les lettres d'Adila qui me serraient dans ma cellule comme dans un jean slim. Yeah, du plomb dans l'aile, j'avais un gun et pas un pécherel. Je voyais pas le bonheur jusqu'à ce que le rap me fasse la courte échelle. Le daron Bicravel a hier sous mes yeux. Le bon gîte de casa au foyer partait comme des œufs. Aucun maître à part, Dieu même en cellule de part deux. Un peu de drap, on la coupe, tu repars avec le zen à deux par Dieu. T'as pas de port, baisse les yeux quand menace. T'as les couilles pleines comme des narines à Amy Winehouse. Yeah, man, si on est là, c'est qu'on fait le taf gros. Yeah, man, si on est là, c'est qu'on fait le taf gros. Yeah, man, si on est là, c'est qu'on fait le taf gros. Yeah, man, à part Dieu, on doit rien à personne. Yeah, man, si on est là, c'est qu'on fait le taf gros. Yeah, man, si on est là, c'est qu'on fait le taf gros. Yeah, man, si on est là, c'est qu'on fait le taf gros. Yeah, man, à part Dieu, on doit rien à personne. Je rappe tellement halal qu'on dit que je rappe haram. Au square on piquera avec que gré la peu ça et la cam. Yeah, les grands du quartier ont tous fini comme Maradona. Allez retour ne vieillit pas, il est comme Madonna. Obligé de kiffer ma vie, maintenant j'ai remonté la pente. Et si la vie est une chaîne, je suis béton pour tournante. Aucun sou, aucun mandat cash quand j'étais dans la merde. Quand je tournais dans la cour, que je faisais Jeff comme Bétancourt. N'est pas la haine boy, on est venu fermer des gueules. Mal on a sorti les guns, on les fait danser comme Soulja Boy. Je sors pas sans la famille, je sors pas sans la famille. Jamais sans la famille, jamais, jamais sans la famille. Je monte au carmi, car les poucas vont flairer. Au square on tient les murs et même le diable surveille ses intérêts. Ils savent plus quoi raconter, ça devient trop grave là. Et si le rap ne fait plus bander, voilà ton fouini Viagra.
Chromed out 1100. What I'm doing, getting money. What we doing, getting money. What they doing, hating on us, but they never cross. Cash money still a company. Bitch, I'm the boss. And I'm studying like my daddy. Studying like my daddy. Studying like my daddy. Studying like my daddy. Yeah, I'm studying like my daddy. Studying like my daddy. Studying like my daddy. Yeah, bitch, I'm paid. That's all I gotta say. Can't see you little niggas. The money in the way, and I'm sitting high against the ride blaze. And if you ain't gon' ride fly, then you might as well hate. Shit, I gotta eat, yeah, even though I ain't know it ain't my birthday, but I got my name on that cake. Shit, believe that, and if the mans won't play, and I'ma fuck around and put the ball brains on the gate. Hey, pick them up, fuck them, let them lay. Where I'm from, we see a fucking dead body every day. That's uptown, throw a stack at 'em, make a song about me, I'm throwing shots back at 'em. Your bitch on my pipe, she like a crack addict, and she saw me cooking eggs, she thought I was back at it. I grabbed my keys, oh I gotta go, got my motorcycle jacket and my motorcycle low. On the Yamaha, chromed out 1100. What I'm doing, getting money. What we doing, getting money. What they doing, hating on us, but they never cross. Cash money still a company. And bitch, I'm the boss. And I'm studying like my daddy. Studying like my daddy. Studying like my daddy. I be studying like my daddy. Yeah, I'm studying like my daddy. Studying like my daddy. I be studying like my daddy. 98, 45 paper plates. 10 the whole thing, big money, heavyweight. 100 stacks, spent 50 on the caddy, 25 on the pinky, bought a pound of blow and bounce back. Matching grills, big houses on the hills, got them hoes in the kitchen, out cooking, paying bills. On Thunder Island, dollar after dollar, flipping chickens, getting tickets, want the money and the power. Born stunting, uptown hunter, third wall G, nigga been about money. Ice chunky, Birdman, red monkey, white tees on the chromed out 1100. You know we shine every summer, we grind every summer, and this is how we spend money. You see them business and them lambs, them mountains and the grams. Bitch, we was born hustling. On the Yamaha, chromed out 1100. What I'm doing, getting money. What we doing, getting money. What they doing, hating on us, but they never cross. Cash money still a company. Bitch, I'm the boss. I'm never stunning like my daddy, stunning like my daddy, stunning like my daddy. I be stunning like my daddy. Yeah, we stunning like my daddy, stunning like my daddy. I be stunning like my daddy. Yeah, when I was 16, I bought my first Mercedes Benz. I must have fucked 1,000 bitches and a girlfriend. White leather, hot new pair of rims, brand new pistol with a trigger like a hairpin. Big work, we don't need a scale, man. Big paper, say good morning to the mailman. What you know about putting bricks in the spare, man? I can stuff a coupe like a motherfucking caravan. I'm in my zone, my farm is so rare, man. If there's a phone, you looking at the chair, man. How you want it? Show me my opponent. Show me my opponent. I'm still ballin'. A bullet gotta get me, and I never been a pussy, cause my hood never let me. Yeah, a made nigga, got made niggas with me. I'm a motorcycle boy, so I'm about to pump the Bentley. On the Yamaha, chromed out 1100. What I'm doing, getting money. What we doing, getting money. What they doing, hating on us, but they never call. Cash money still a company. Bitch, I'm back.
Coming straight up out the loot town. Oh, you new edition. Rappers better cool it now. Before I make a fool of ya. Paper stack as tall as ya. Mean, look at the bling, set it rings, looking like basketball.
Stanley motherfucker, coming straight up out the loot town. Oh, you new edition. Rappers better cool it now. Before I make a fool of ya. Paper stack as tall as ya. Mean, look at the bling, set it rings, looking like basketball.
Party people at? Where my party people at? Just walk through the door. What's it gonna be? I can't get to the floor. Girls all over me. Where my party people at? Where my party people at?
Party people at?
Where my 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 party people at?
Well, it's Fergie, I'm the Duchess, coming straight from California. Ayy, stunning in my low, Trina got me MIA. Boyfriend wondering where I'm at, cause I'm in the spot. Why he always tryna be putting me down on lock?
Well, it's funny, I'm a Duchess coming straight from California. Stunning in my low, Trina got me MIA. Boyfriend wondering where I'm at, cause I'm in the stock spot. Why he always tryna be putting me down on lock?
Walk through the clouds. What's it gonna be? Can't get to the floor. What's all over me? Where my party people at? Where my party people at? Just walk through the door. What's it gonna be? I can't get to the floor. Girls all over me. Where my party people at? Where my party people at?
Visually waiting, taking my time. Watching these haters on come with their rhymes. Watching these suckers on mimic it, then they start falling out one at a time. You can go search but never can find. I promise you dirty, I'm one of a kind. Mold is broken, the formula's mine. I killed the idea and destroyed the design.
I'm spacely waiting and taking my time. Now that I'm here, I'm getting my shine. All of you haters can get so behind. Specifically sticking, I'm talking about mine. Don't need you to tell me, I know that I'm fine. I'm killing it, baby, so call it a crime. Yeah, you watching, but still ain't no time. I told you before, the big girls don't cry.
At the liquor store, girls got pocket towels.
Where my party people at?
Walk through the clouds. What's it gonna be? Can't get to the floor. What's all over me? Where my party people at? Where my party people at? Just walk through the door. What's it gonna be? I can't get to the floor. Girls all over me. Where my party people at? Where my party people at?
Where my party people at?
Where my party people at?
Where my party people at?
Where my party people at?
Where my party people at?
Where my party people at?
Where my party people at?
Where my party people at?
Where my party people at?
Where my party people at?
North G, North G, North G.